Hi, this is Landon Voss. We're going to see Griffin do the craziest stunts on a Riff Rider today. Say hi to the camera, Griffin.
Hi.
Go do it!
Why are you leaving?
Yeah! Yeah! Lay there, just stay there. Did that feel good?
That is why you never go to the edge of a ditch and do. Whoa! Yeah.
It's over.
This has been another video from Griffin Lee's videos. Thank you and good night. Or good morning, bye.